One of the UFC's biggest stars says that the advice of a UFC-employed nutritionist almost killed her. In preparing for her fight with Lena Landsberg in September, Cris Cyborg Justino says her biggest challenge was cutting weight. The UFC reportedly brought in a nutritionist and UFC employee George Lockhart to help the process. In a statement to MMAfighting.com, Justino said Lockhart, quote, didn't do an effective job with this birth control pill he indicated, saying that would help me. But thank God, in a war, I made weight, cutting 24 pounds in a week. My body was retaining a lot of water. Now, after the fight and the difficult weight cut, Cyborg says she was in treatment for 10 days after her blood was too thick to draw for tests. UFC President Dana White talked about the deal with Cyborg for this fight, saying the UFC would hire a dietitian to help her make it down to 135 pounds, and adding after a few fights in that class, she could challenge Ronda Rousey. According to USA Today, Lockhart is not a registered dietitian or medical doctor.